Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got OPPO A98 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection and then we can enter the Play Store. Make sure also that you've got that you're logged to the Google account. If you're not, then do it, and after that simply tap on this circle. Right now we can tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of currently installed apps, and we have to tap on Updates Available to check which we can update. So you can of course update all of them or pick something from the list. So I will pick Firefox maybe and the Google one. After marking, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will right now download the apps, and after that it will immediately apply them, so you do not really have to do anything more, just wait until your device will update the apps. So that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.